This is day 29 of teaching data analytics. Today we are going to talk about a very common interview question, that is the tree problem. The problem goes as follows. We have the data of the employees, the names, the salaries, and the manager ID. And we want to find out wherever the salary of the manager is lesser than the salary of the employee. Now, to do this, we use the solution of a self-join. I will demonstrate it as follows. We have selected all the records from this particular table. Let us label this table as A, and I will have to specify all the columns that I want to bring because it is going to have duplicate columns since we are joining again with the same table, and you can't really do that. Yeah, and we are going to use a self-join, and let's now rename this table as table B. Now, understand the logic. We want to have Alice's name right next to Noah's name as the manager name, and we want to have Alice's salary next to Noah's salary. So we're gonna have to define it like A dot manager ID is equal to B dot employee ID. Let me just change the data types a bit because I have imported some of these values as varchar. So I will just change it. And now the next thing that we want to do it, let's just first run this. And now I will specify the columns from table B. B dot employee ID as manager ID. B dot name as manager name. B dot salary as manager salary. Now, next to Noah's name, we get Alice's name. And now the next task is to find out cases wherein the employee salary is higher than the manager's salary. To do that, we can just use a where clause where A dot salary is greater than B dot salary. Now let me just change the data types again here because I've imported some of these values as a varchar. Uh, Now, as soon as I run this, I get 494 cases. These 494 cases are those wherein the employee salary is higher than the manager salary.